Hi, this is Chewy. I'm going to read you a story about a dog who wakes up with a big lazy yawn. Then as he stretches and yawns again, he realises his friend Mole has started yawning too. And so an idea forms in Dog's mind. An idea for a game. The Yawning Game. Dog woke up with a big lazy yawn. What shall I do today, he said, as he stretched and yawned again. Mole was yawning too. Interesting, thought the dog. An idea came to his mind. An idea for a game. Spider was busy spinning her web. Went the dog to Spider. And immediately Spider started yawning too. She twisted her web up into a comfy little hammock and settled down for a nap. It works, thought the dog. What are you up to, dog? Asked the pig, who was having a little snack from a bucket nearby. I'll show you, says the dog. Yawned the dog again. Pig blinked his eyes and yawned back, and then he fell fast asleep, face down in the bucket. Dog was really enjoying this new game. What next, he thought. Pony was just about to leap the tall hedge when Dog appeared. Said Dog, sleepily as possibly he could. Pony didn't even get to the other side before he yawned too, and he fell asleep right on top of that hedge, dreaming happily of carrots. It worked perfectly every time. The cat slept when she should have been chasing the mice. The fox was dozing halfway through stealing eggs from the chicken shed. Dog was delighted with himself. What a great game, he said. I'm going to wake everyone up so that I can play the yawning game again. Off! Said the dog, and one by one the animals began to wake. Yawn went the spider. Yawn went the pig. Yawn went the mole. Cat and fox, and before the pony had even begun his yawn, Dog was fast asleep. Good night, dog. Good night.